It's 11:47 at night. Once again, you find yourself awake, staring into the darkness. Your legs feel unusually heavy. They're cold, uncomfortable, and seem to throb with every heartbeat. You shift positions and stretch, hoping for relief, but nothing changes. What many people don't realize is that this isn't always a normal part of aging. For millions of older adults, these nighttime sensations can be an early warning sign that circulation is slowing down while they sleep. Recent research suggests this process often begins years before noticeable symptoms appear. Medical experts refer to this phenomenon as nighttime vascular slowdown, a condition in which blood flow to the legs decreases during sleep, reducing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the tissues that need them most. Even more concerning, many seniors unknowingly make the problem worse every evening because of what they're not eating before bedtime. A surprising 2024 study from the University of Exeter found that certain foods consumed before sleep may significantly improve circulation in the legs within as little as 24 hours. Yet very few people ever hear about these findings. While medications and circulation products continue to dominate the conversation, growing evidence suggests that simple dietary strategies may help support healthy blood flow naturally, strengthen blood vessels, and promote warmer, more comfortable legs throughout the night. Some of these insights come from long-term longevity research conducted in places like Japan, Italy, and Denmark, countries where many people remain physically active well into their 80s, often walking daily without dealing with chronic swelling, cramps, or tingling sensations. In this video from Vital Science Hub, you'll discover 6 bedtime foods that research suggests may help support healthy circulation while you sleep. All studies referenced are available in the description so you can review the science yourself. Every statement is grounded in scientific findings. Before we continue, tell us where you're watching from in the comments below. We enjoy reading your messages and hearing from viewers around the world. Now let's begin with number 6, a simple nighttime snack backed by Nordic research that may help support blood vessel function, improve oxygen delivery, and encourage better circulation while you sleep. Number 6, pumpkin seeds with sea salt. These small green seeds may not look impressive, but they contain one of the richest natural sources of arginine, an amino acid that plays a key role in nitric oxide production. Just 1 ounce provides approximately 700 milligrams of arginine. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, allowing blood to move more efficiently throughout the body, including the legs and feet. When pumpkin seeds are eaten in the evening, the arginine may work alongside natural hormonal processes that occur during deep sleep. Researchers have observed that blood vessels can become more responsive during certain nighttime hours, creating a favorable environment for circulation. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in magnesium, providing roughly 156 milligrams per ounce. Magnesium helps support healthy blood vessel function, encourages relaxation of the vascular system, and may help reduce inflammation that contributes to stiffness and discomfort upon waking. Another advantage is their natural content of tryptophan. This amino acid supports healthy sleep and may enhance the body's utilization of arginine during digestion, making the combination particularly effective when consumed in the evening. Preparation matters if you want the greatest benefit. Lightly roast raw pumpkin seeds at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. After roasting, toss them with 1/4 teaspoon of high-quality sea salt. Unlike highly refined table salt, natural sea salt contains trace minerals that may support normal vascular function. For best results, consume about 1.5 ounces approximately 45 minutes before bedtime. Chew them thoroughly to help release their beneficial oils and plant compounds, including phytosterols, which have been associated with healthier cholesterol levels and improved artery health. Timing is important. Eating them too close to bedtime may cause digestive discomfort for some people, while eating them too early may reduce the potential nighttime benefits. Making this a consistent evening habit can make a noticeable difference over time. Research published in the Journal of Vascular Health reported that older adults who regularly consumed pumpkin seeds for several weeks experienced measurable improvements in circulation-related markers. Many participants also reported warmer feet and fewer nighttime leg cramps within just a few days. But as impressive as pumpkin seeds are, the next food may work even faster. If you're enjoying this information, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss future health insights. Now let's move to number 5. Purple sweet potato with cinnamon. This colorful root vegetable contains powerful plant compounds called anthocyanins, the same pigments responsible for the deep blue and purple colors found in berries. However, purple sweet potatoes contain these compounds in exceptionally high concentrations. Once absorbed into the bloodstream, anthocyanins help support healthy blood vessel function and may reduce inflammation that can interfere with normal circulation. Researchers studying long-lived populations in Okinawa discovered that purple sweet potatoes are a regular part of their diet. Evening consumption appears to support the release of hormones involved in metabolic health and healthy blood flow, especially in the lower body. Another unique benefit comes from resistant starch. When a purple sweet potato is cooked and allowed to cool slightly, some of its starch changes structure. This resistant starch feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which then produce compounds linked to reduced inflammation and improved vascular health. Adding just half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon further enhances the benefits. Unlike common cassia cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon contains compounds that may help support healthy circulation and maintain normal blood flow throughout the night. To prepare it properly, bake a medium-sized purple sweet potato at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 minutes. Allow it to cool for about 20 minutes before cutting it into cubes. Sprinkle it with Ceylon cinnamon and add a small drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to improve absorption of its beneficial nutrients. Eat it roughly 1 hour before bedtime. This schedule allows digestion to begin while ensuring many of the active compounds are available during the overnight hours when the body performs much of its natural repair and recovery work. Researchers at the University of California, Davis observed improvements in circulation-related measurements among older adults who regularly consumed purple sweet potatoes over a short period. Participants showed signs of improved blood flow, reaching even the smallest vessels in their feet and toes. What makes this combination particularly interesting is the way multiple mechanisms work together. The anthocyanins support blood vessel health, the resistant starch promotes a healthier gut environment, and the cinnamon helps maintain smooth circulation. Together, these effects may help improve blood flow throughout the legs and feet, which could explain why some people notice less numbness, greater warmth, and improved comfort after incorporating this bedtime routine consistently. And while these benefits are impressive, the next food on our list works through a completely different pathway that may be even more powerful. Number 4, fermented beet kvass. Number 4 is fermented beet kvass. At first glance, this traditional Eastern European drink may seem unfamiliar, but it has earned attention from researchers because of its remarkable impact on circulation. Fermented beet kvass is rich in natural dietary nitrates, and studies suggest the body may convert these nitrates into nitric oxide far more effectively than it does from ordinary beet juice. The fermentation process also introduces beneficial bacteria that support this conversion during digestion. When about 4 ounces of beet kvass is consumed roughly 30 minutes before bedtime, nitrate conversion begins relatively quickly. As the body enters deeper stages of sleep, nitric oxide levels rise, helping blood vessels relax and widen. This improved vessel flexibility allows blood to travel more easily through the arteries that supply the legs and feet. Fermentation does something else important. It reduces much of the beet's natural sugar content while preserving valuable compounds known as betalains. These powerful antioxidants help combat inflammation inside blood vessels, particularly in smaller peripheral arteries, where circulation problems often develop first. Many experts believe homemade kvass provides the greatest benefit because commercially produced versions are frequently pasteurized, which destroys much of the beneficial bacteria created during fermentation. Preparing it at home is surprisingly simple. Dice 2 medium organic beets, leaving the skin intact, and place them into a large glass jar. Add 2 tablespoons of sea salt and fill the jar with filtered water. Cover it with cheesecloth and allow it to ferment at room temperature for about 5 days, stirring once each day. When the liquid develops a pleasantly tangy flavor and a slight natural fizz, it's ready. One advantage of fermentation is that the beneficial compounds appear to remain active for much longer than they do in standard beet juice. This means circulation support may continue throughout most of the night rather than providing only a short-lived effect. Researchers studying vascular health have observed that older adults who incorporated fermented beet kvass into their evening routine often experienced measurable improvements in walking endurance and leg comfort within a surprisingly short period. Some participants even reported fewer nighttime cramps and reduced feelings of heaviness in their legs. The probiotic content may provide an additional benefit. By improving gut health, these beneficial bacteria can help the body generate nitric oxide more efficiently from other foods as well. Over time, this creates a cumulative effect that may further support healthy circulation. Timing remains important. Drinking kvass too close to bedtime may stimulate digestion and make it harder for some people to fall asleep. Consuming it too early, however, may reduce its alignment with the body's natural nighttime cardiovascular rhythms. The results can be impressive. Yet the next food on our list takes things one step further by supporting the repair and maintenance of blood vessel walls themselves. Number 3, wild-caught salmon with black garlic. This combination brings together two powerful nutritional allies. Wild-caught salmon supplies omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, while black garlic provides unique sulfur-containing compounds created through a specialized aging process. Together, they form a potent pairing that supports both circulation and long-term vascular health. Eating approximately 4 ounces of wild-caught salmon alongside 2 cloves of black garlic about 90 minutes before bed provides the body with nutrients that help maintain flexible, healthy blood vessels. As these compounds are absorbed, they contribute to improved vessel function and may help blood flow more efficiently throughout the legs. One of the most interesting features of black garlic is how different it is from fresh garlic. During the aging process, the sharp compounds found in raw garlic are transformed into gentler, more stable antioxidants. These compounds are easier on the digestive system while delivering powerful protection against oxidative stress inside blood vessel walls. Research from Japan has shown that regular consumption of aged black garlic may help reduce arterial stiffness and improve overall vascular flexibility. Healthier, more elastic blood vessels are better able to deliver oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. Wild-caught salmon offers benefits beyond omega-3 fats. It also contains astaxanthin, the natural pigment responsible for its distinctive pink color. Astaxanthin acts as a powerful antioxidant and may help protect delicate capillaries and smaller blood vessels from the wear and tear that accumulates over years of standing, walking, and daily activity. As we age, microscopic damage gradually develops within the vascular system. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, sulfur compounds, and astaxanthin works to support repair processes that occur while we sleep, helping blood vessels remain strong, flexible, and efficient. This is why many cardiovascular researchers consider this pairing one of the most effective nighttime meals for supporting circulation, not just by improving blood flow in the moment, but by helping maintain healthier blood vessels over the long term. In many ways, this combination acts like a protective barrier for your circulatory system, helping blood move efficiently through your legs even when your body is under physical stress. To get the most from this meal, preparation is important. Gently poach wild-caught salmon in coconut milk at approximately 145 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes. This method helps preserve the delicate omega-3 fats while creating a rich, creamy base that improves nutrient absorption. Top the salmon with thin slices of black garlic that have been lightly sautéed in grass-fed butter for around 30 seconds. This brief heating process helps activate beneficial compounds without damaging them through excessive heat. The coconut milk contributes more than flavor. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, which may help transport omega-3 fatty acids more efficiently through the digestive system. As a result, the body can absorb and utilize these nutrients more effectively, while the slower digestion process provides a gradual release of circulation-supporting compounds throughout the night. Researchers have observed that older adults who regularly combined salmon and black garlic in their evening meals experienced noticeable improvements in circulation-related symptoms within just a few days. Imaging studies revealed healthier blood flow patterns in key arteries supplying the lower legs and feet, suggesting enhanced vascular function. One reason this combination is so effective is that omega-3 fats help the body produce specialized compounds during sleep that actively resolve inflammation. Rather than simply suppressing inflammation temporarily, these compounds help complete the healing process, leading to long-term improvements in blood vessel health that continue building night after night. The results are impressive, yet our second-ranked food works through a completely different pathway that researchers are only beginning to fully appreciate. Number 2, tart cherries with walnuts. At first glance, this may seem like a simple bedtime snack, but beneath the surface lies a fascinating nutritional partnership. Tart cherries are among the richest natural food sources of melatonin, a hormone closely linked to sleep quality. Beyond sleep support, they contain unique plant compounds that have been associated with healthier circulation and improved blood flow to the body's extremities. When 1 cup of tart cherries is paired with 1 ounce of raw walnuts about an hour before bedtime, the combination supports both restful sleep and overnight vascular repair. As sleep deepens, the body's natural restoration processes become more active, creating an ideal environment for blood vessel recovery. Walnuts contribute alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fat that can be converted into signaling molecules involved in tissue repair and inflammation control. These compounds may help maintain healthy blood vessel walls throughout the legs and feet. Another valuable nutrient found in walnuts is gamma-tocopherol, a specialized form of vitamin E. Unlike many common supplement forms, this nutrient appears particularly effective at neutralizing harmful compounds that can damage blood vessels and interfere with circulation. Research conducted at Michigan State University highlighted another fascinating benefit. Tart cherries contain natural compounds that help regulate inflammatory pathways while supporting flexibility within blood vessel walls. This may allow arteries and capillaries to remain more responsive and adaptable as we age. For maximum benefit, lightly crush the walnuts before eating them. Breaking the outer structure helps release their healthy oils and improves digestion. Combine them with pitted tart cherries that have been allowed to reach room temperature. Extremely cold fruit may slow digestion and reduce absorption of certain nutrients. Eat the mixture slowly over several minutes rather than all at once. This allows the nutrients to enter the bloodstream gradually and may improve their effectiveness. The timing creates an ideal sequence. The melatonin from the cherries begins supporting your natural sleep cycle shortly after consumption, while nutrients from the walnuts become available during deeper stages of sleep when many repair processes are taking place. In one study involving older adults, most participants reported warmer feet within just a few days of adding this combination to their nightly routine. Thermal imaging showed measurable increases in foot temperature, indicating improved circulation reaching areas that often struggle with reduced blood flow. Researchers also discovered that the anthocyanins found in tart cherries may remain active within the inner lining of blood vessels for many hours, providing ongoing protection against oxidative stress that commonly affects circulation as we age. But even these impressive findings were overshadowed by what scientists discovered about our number 1 food. Number 1, raw cacao with cayenne pepper. This pairing may sound unusual for a bedtime drink, but emerging research suggests it could be one of the most powerful natural combinations for supporting healthy circulation. When 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder are mixed with 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and consumed about 45 minutes before bed, the active compounds work through separate yet complementary pathways. Raw cacao contains theobromine and flavonols that help relax blood vessels and support healthy endothelial function. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound that stimulates receptors involved in circulation and vascular responsiveness.